Hi, my name is Tuan Ahmad Zainal bin Tuan Ismail, matric number 291037. Ladies and gentlemen, today our group will hold a debate regarding the topic of whether it is better to live in the city or countryside. Myself, Zainal, and my teammate Naufal, we all from Group 7, will be on the proposition side supporting the motion that it is better to live in the city. My first argument is about job opportunities. Cities offer more job opportunities in the government, private, and industrial sector than in the countryside. Furthermore, salaries in cities are usually higher. This helps the community improve its standard of living.
My name Muhammad Shazwan bin Shahruddin. Matrix number 290986. I am opposition. I see what you means, Tuan Zainal. But I think the agreement only looks at material advantage. Firstly, living in the city is full of stress. Traffic congestion, high cost of living, and noisy atmosphere cause many residents to be stressed. Although there are job opportunities, not everyone gets a job that is commensurate with the cost of living. Secondly, cities often cause pollution problems. The air is polluted with vehicle and factory fumes. Rivers water is polluted with industry waste. This reduce the quality of life of urban communities.
Thank you, Mr. Sazwan. Assalamualaikum. My name
Okay.
is Muhammad Naufal, matric number 290975. My second argument is about modern facilities. In cities, there are specialist hospital, high-performing schools, leading universities, shopping malls, and modern public transportation. All of these make life easier and more comfortable. For example, in a small town, might have a good general doctor, but a major city will have hospitals with dedicated departments for rare disease, top tier cardiac surgeon, specialized pediatric care, and advanced medical research institute. The same goes for education beyond standard schools. Cities offer specialized high school for the arts, science, or technology, and university with incredibly specific degree programs. In other words, cities provide better access to education, health, and a quality lifestyle.
Thank you, Mr. Nofal. I would like to add the rural area are better because the atmosphere is calm and healthy. Rural residents enjoy fresh air, green surrounding, and a lower cost of living. Life is more peaceful without congestion and excessive stress. In addition, rural communities are closer and help each other. These social values are increasingly disappearing in cities. So, rural areas are better for emotional well-being, and social relationships.
Let me reply. The opposition says rural areas are calm, but in reality, basic facilities in rural areas are still limited. Hospitals are far away, schools are less selective, job opportunities are limited. Cities have modern solutions to problems, green technology for pollution, MRT, LRT for congestion. Therefore, the advantage of city are stronger than the challenges mentioned by the opinion.
Let me add another rebuttal. The saboteurs say that cities have many modern facilities. I see what you mean, but I think that these facilities do not necessarily bring happiness. Many people in cities are mentally ill, live lonely, and do not socialize with their neighbor even though they are surrounded by technology. On the other hand, in the countryside, although everything is simple, people live more harmonious, stress-free, and are more environmentally friendly. That is the real quality of life that money cannot buy.
For everyone, let's look at our agreement again. Living in the city, high cost of living, stress, pollution. Second, living in the countryside, uh, quiet atmosphere, low cost, fresh air. Uh, third, third, the countryside maintains strong social values. To summarize, autos, cities have their advantage. Real well-being comes from living outside the city. Therefore, it is better to live outside the city. Thank you.
I would also like to add that living in the city provides more opportunities for self-development. Children get access to higher education, various courses, and a wide social network. This is the basic for a better future. In conclusion, firstly, cities offer more jobs. Secondly, cities provide modern amenities. Thirdly, cities open up opportunities for self-development. And for all these reasons, it is better to live in the city. Thank you. Bye.